My camera's garbage.
Damn.
Mine's garbage.
Mine's pretty good. Look at that. You can actually see the truck.
Yeah.
Dude, let's get closer. All right, let's get closer. I'm right behind you. Ryan, you're on video, dude. Ryan. A lady cop.
Wayne would like that.
There goes the firefighters.
Is it just on fire and you're like,
They ran in.
They're spraying it down right now, dude. There are 2 fire trucks. Ryan and I are watching.
Probably because you made fun of my car blowing up. Look at that truck, dude.
Does insurance cover like fire?
Damn.
What if it explodes? We're fucked. Yeah, do you put it in your car now?
Yeah, look how hot that shit is. There's no water and you put it out. Right? There we go. They're doing the smoke now. Smoke. Third fire truck just showed up. Damn, it's done. Look at that. That was good. That was like a 2 minute dousing and then it's done.
Yeah.
Poor thing.
Alright, it's done.